Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill in Power BI that confuses a lot of people: how to cross-join two tables that don't share any columns. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create every possible combination between two different tables in Power BI, which can be super powerful for analysis, reporting, or even just practicing your query skills. Let's dive right in with the steps. We'll start with a simple example so you can follow along no matter your experience level. Imagine we have two tables. One table lists products like laptop, mouse, and keyboard, and the other table has regions such as north, south, and east. Our goal is to see every product matched with every region, even though there isn't a direct link between them. First, you'll want to load both of these tables into Power BI. If you're new to this, it just means importing your tables into your workspace so Power BI can start working its magic. Take your time here, double-check that the data looks right. Once your tables are in, head up to the Home ribbon and click on Transform Data. This will open up the Power Query Editor, which is like the backstage area where you get to really shape how your data works. If the interface looks intimidating, don't worry, you'll get more comfortable with it the more you use it. Now, in the Power Query Editor, click on the Products table from the panel on the left. What we're about to do is add a dummy column, and here's why. Since there's no natural link between the Products and Regions tables, we need to create something they both have in common. Think of it kind of like giving both tables the same secret handshake so they can match up with each other. Go to the Add Column tab and select Custom Column. In the Formula area, simply type in the number 1. Give this column the name Key. What this does is super simple but super important. It gives every row in your Products table the same key value, which we'll use to join with the Regions table later on. Next, repeat that exact same step with the Regions table. Select it, go to Add Column, choose Custom Column, type in 1 and also call that column Key. Now both tables have this identical column, which opens the door for that cross-join we're after. Alright, here comes the cool part. Go up to the Home tab and click on Merge Queries, but instead of regular merge, choose Merge Queries as new. This means we'll create a whole new merge table rather than altering our originals, which is always a good safety net in case you need to go back. The Merge dialog will pop up. Set Products as your first table and Regions as the second. For the Join columns, select the key column you just made in both tables. For the Join type, choose Inner Join, and here's why. Because every row's key is 1 on both sides, Inner Join is going to produce all possible combinations, exactly what we want in a cross-join. You'll end up with every product paired with every region automatically. Once the merge finishes, you'll notice that the Regions data is nested inside a little table cell. Just click the Expand button, it looks like 2 arrows, and then select the columns you want to bring in, probably the Region ID and Region columns. Now your new merge table will have every combination of product and region laid out in one place. And that's it. You've just performed a cross-join in Power BI without needing any common column at all. Give yourself a pat on the back if you followed along. If this was new to you, don't worry if a couple of steps felt strange. After you do this a couple of times, it'll feel completely natural. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please give the video a like, drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Power BI tutorials just like this one. Until next time, happy analyzing.